What's up, guys? I'm getting ready to try these Goldbears sours. Cut it open here. Try to get one of each flavor. Go with this red one first. Got a good taste. Not really sour. At least that one wasn't. We'll try to get one of each flavor. Yellow. Orange. That orange one's not really orange. I'll show you why here in a minute. Yeah, that's an orange one. The orange one here has two flavors. You can see it. So we'll try it last. Here's the yellow one. Ooh. That one was a little sour. The yellow ones are a little sour, guys. A little bit more sour than the red one. Here's a white one. That one's really good. Not sour, really. But it was pineapple. Not bad. Not bad. This one is supposed to be lemon. So pretty much the orange one's the only one that's been sour so far. And it was orange. It's a little weird, but this green one, is strawberry. That is what it says on the back here, guys. Right there. See, green strawberry. Right there. Green strawberry. A little bit of sour there, but not like that orange. We'll bring out another one. Well, this one's orange, but with a little bit of raspberry, which is the red. So let's do this one. Ooh. Well, none of them really are sour except these orange ones. The rest of them are good. Like, I'd say my favorite one is definitely the pineapple, which is supposed to be white, but kind of yellow. Definitely the white ones are the best one. I would rank them, if you're going by sour, I'd rank them not good. Only one of them sour. If you go by taste, I'll give them a 7 out of 10, guys. That's 1 being crap, 10 being amazing. Give these a 7. Not bad. They taste really good. The white ones are amazing. Go try it out for yourself.